Question. ds. 3 to the power of x times whole of 2 to the whole power of x minus 2 whole over 3 to the power of whole y plus 2 whole times of 2 to the power of y. Condition 1. X equals y plus 2. Condition 2. Y equals 1. Solution. Now we will solve this ds question using the variable approach. The first step of the variable approach. The first step and the priority is to modify and recheck the original condition and the question to suit the type of information given in condition. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Let's follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the value of 3 to the power of x times 2 to the whole power of x minus 2 whole over 3 to the whole power of y plus 2 times 2 to the power of y. You should practice modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. You will learn more about this in Lesson D. Now, according to the exponent rules, we know that a to the power of m times whole of b to the power of m equals a times b whole to the power of m, and a to the power of m whole over a to the power of n equals a to the whole power of m minus n. The question by modification gives us 3 to the power of x times 2 to the power of whole x minus 2 whole over 3 to the whole power of y plus 2 times 2 to the power of y. That is, 3 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of negative 2 whole over 3 to the power of y times 3 squared times 2 to the power of y equals 3 times 2 whole power x times 2 to the power of negative 2 whole over 3 squared times 3 to the power of y times 2 to the power of y equals 6 to the power of x times 2 to the power of negative 2 whole over 9 times of 3 times 2 whole power y, which becomes 6 to the power of x over 4 times 9 times 6 to the power of y, which is 6 to the whole power of x minus y whole over 36. So we have to determine the value of x minus y. Let's look at condition 1, which tells us that x equals y plus 2. This can be modified as x minus y equals 2, and this is exactly what we are looking for. So we get 6 to the whole power of x minus y whole over 36 equals 6 squared over 36, which equals 1. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Condition 2 tells us that y equals 1. We cannot know the value of x, so this condition is not sufficient. Condition 1 alone is sufficient, so A is the correct answer. Always remember the fact that modification, the first step of the variable approach, is the most important. Answer A.